You're going to mount your regulator here and your solenoid, your two cords. These are just 3-wire cords, or 2-wire with a ground, but you don't need the ground because it's low voltage. But basically, you're going to come in here, so you have 2 wires, either 2, as long as you get the different cable, will be a neutral, and then these 2 actually go up to your, it's 43 and 44, so that goes up to your selector switch right here. So you got 43 and 44 on one side of it, and then all you need is I'm sure you have a number 20 wire on the terminal strip. We'll go to this one for the down because you want the door open. You don't want this going down when the door is shut. So this 20 wire is from that limit switch over here. So when this locked, you may have a limit switch or a locking switch, but when this is disengaged, it allows power to the contact in here, and it's usually the 20 wire. You probably have a limit switch. It's kind of the same deal. If the limit switch is up, the closed part of the limit switch will put voltage through the 20 for the down position. In the up position, up shouldn't matter, so you just want to run a 6 wire, just a straight hot wire to the up position, but the 20 you want with the down position regulated with the locking switch or limit switch, whatever you may have on your machine.